Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Glutone 1000 tablet effectively. This effervescent tablet is a blend of powerful ingredients like L-glutathione, N-acetylcysteine, vitamin C, and selenium. It's designed to help boost your body's glutathione levels, which can lead to enhanced skin radiance and overall well-being. By supporting detoxification and evening out skin tone, Glutone 1000 helps you achieve a healthier, more vibrant look. Let's dive into the simple steps for incorporating it into your daily routine. Using Glutone 1000 is quite simple. First, take one tablet and drop it into a glass containing 120 milliliters of water. You'll notice it starts to fizz. Allow about 2 minutes for the tablet to completely dissolve, creating a refreshing drink. Once fully dissolved, consume it right away. Remember, these are effervescent tablets, so it's crucial not to swallow them whole. They are meant to be dissolved in water. For optimal results, it's best to take your Glutone 1000 tablet daily, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning. This timing helps maximize the absorption of the active ingredients into your system. Many users find that pairing it with a vitamin C tablet, like Eskerzee, further enhances glutathione absorption and its benefits. To truly see the transformative effects on your skin and overall health, consistent daily use for at least 3 to 4 months is generally recommended. While Glutone 1000 is generally safe for most adults, there are a few important considerations. It is specifically intended for adult usage. If you are pregnant or nursing, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Please do not exceed the recommended daily dosage of 1 tablet. To maintain its potency, ensure you store the tablets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, and always keep the cap tightly closed after each use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.